The purge bulb, more commonly called the primer bulb, manually pumps fuel into the carburetor, which purges the air out of the carburetor. Without a functioning purge bulb, you must pull the starter rope multiple times until the carburetor diaphragm can pump enough fuel into the carburetor for the engine to start. Over time, the purge bulb will harden and crack due to its constant exposure with fuel. Once cracked, it will no longer pump fuel into the carb, causing a hard starting engine. Replacing the purge bulb is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. The air filter case is secured with 2 screws. I'll remove them next. Now remove the plate from the carburetor that secures the purge bulb. Now install the new purge bulb. I place the purge bulb on the base, reinstall the cover, and secure it with the screws. I'll line the carburetor with the housing, place the bolts through the air filter case, slide the bolts through the carburetor, and secure the carburetor back to the engine. And I'll finish up by replacing the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to install a new purge bulb on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.